Hello everyone, welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. So we are looking at gold for this up and coming week. So we've had this huge push from the previous week. You know, it's just been ultimately pushing. So we could be looking at a sign of slowing momentum and a potential switch. But I will look for the current bias, which is a buy, as we are currently moving still higher. But I do have the idea in the back of my mind that we could be looking at a short. So I'm going to place two considerable oppositions to get into both trades and both scenarios really. So as we are looking at a buying opportunity, I'll discuss that first. So I will be looking to get in on this position in this zone here. So this is at 1637 to 1644. And what I will be looking for is that push to the upside following the pullback with a wick rejection in this area, and then next to that candle it's important that we find a bullish candle, and that should give us the confirmation that we are pushing higher. Now in terms of target, I will be looking at the highs that we've made already in the early start of this month. So that is at 1700. I do have likelihood that we could get there. It just depends if obviously the market conditions favor it right now. But so this brings me to the reason why I believe that we could find a potential short, and that's because we've had that huge overextended push to the upside. Do believe we need some sort of correction here in order for this uptrend to be healthy. So I will be looking at this zone here. So this is at 1603 to 1696, and if we get a closure below this zone here on the 4-hour frame, we'll wait for that pullback, and then we could see a further movement lower. That's if we find a bearish pressure candle, and it just depends how low we could go. But I will be waiting for momentum to switch over for a buy, and hopefully we can get a long-term trade here with gold again, like we previously did in the last few months. So hopefully if we can get into either position, it will pay off very well. So essentially that's all I'm going to look at for gold, and just pay your attention to those two zones that we've looked at. And if you do have any other questions, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's the best place to get in contact with me. You can ask any other question that you'd like. I'm happy to help pretty much anyone. So that's all for us. And one thing lastly is to make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for all future analysis videos. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.